Welcome back to Reset, Relearn, Reprogram. This week we're talking about effective communication in the repair shop. Effective communication is a vital skill for automotive repair technicians in the fast-paced environment of a repair shop. Strong communication skills facilitate smooth collaboration with colleagues and ensure clear and concise interactions with customers. In this video, we will explore the importance of effective communication and share strategies for technicians to enhance their communication skills, both with colleagues and customers, to foster a positive and productive work environment. Active listening. Active listening is the foundation of effective communication. When interacting with colleagues or customers, focus on truly understanding their perspectives, concerns, and needs. Give your undivided attention, maintain eye contact, and avoid interrupting. Demonstrate your attentiveness by asking clarifying questions and providing verbal and nonverbal cues to show you are actively engaged in the conversation. Clear and concise language. Use clear and concise language to convey your message effectively. Avoid technical jargon when communicating with customers and use layman's terms to ensure they understand the information. When collaborating with colleagues, use industry-specific terminology to facilitate efficient and precise communication. Strive to be articulate, avoiding vague or ambiguous statements that may lead to misunderstandings. Adapt to different communication styles. Recognize that individuals may have different communication styles. Some people prefer detailed explanations, while others prefer a more concise overview. Adapt your communication style to meet the needs of your audience. Pay attention to verbal and nonverbal cues to gauge their level of understanding or engagement. Flexibility in communication style enhances rapport and comprehension. Respectful and professional tone. Maintain a respectful and professional tone in all communication interactions. Be mindful of your body language, tone of voice, and choice of words. Treat colleagues and customers with courtesy, even in challenging situations. Avoid using offensive or condescending language, and strive to create a positive and respectful atmosphere in the repair shop. Clarify expectations and deadlines. Clearly communicate expectations and deadlines when collaborating with colleagues or providing updates to customers. Ensure that everyone involved has a shared understanding of the tasks, timelines, and desired outcomes. Document any agreements or instructions to avoid confusion. Regularly provide updates on the progress to manage expectations effectively. Nonverbal communication. Nonverbal communication plays a significant role in conveying messages. Be aware of your body language, facial expressions, and gestures. Maintain an open and approachable posture to encourage effective communication. Similarly, observe and interpret nonverbal cues from colleagues and customers to gauge their reactions and level of engagement. Practice empathy and emotional intelligence. Demonstrate empathy and emotional intelligence in your communication interactions. Put yourself in others' shoes and try to understand their perspectives or emotions. Show empathy towards customers' concerns and frustrations and respond with understanding and support. When collaborating with colleagues, practice effective teamwork, acknowledge their contributions, and foster a positive and inclusive work environment. Effective communication is a critical skill for automotive repair technicians to collaborate successfully with colleagues and provide exceptional service to customers. By utilizing the tips and strategies presented in this video, technicians can enhance their communication skills and create a positive and productive work environment. Strong communication fosters collaboration, improves customer satisfaction, and contributes to the overall success of the repair shop. Thanks for joining us. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as well as follow our other platforms for valuable content to help your shop reach its greatest potential.